Hello people, it's Dojabu again, and I'm back to my server, to my solo server in this hardcore world. And now I'm gonna play with someone I would like to collab with. No, I mean my classmate. So let me just. What the hell, man? What is this? So if you like, I was trying to kill someone here.
Bro, I hate hardcore.
Where's the skeleton?
But okay, I will do it.
Bro, guys, I don't know where's the skeleton at. I mean the last video is I almost got exploded by that freaky ass creeper. Update your Minecraft, bro.
Yeah, I need to download it. The real Minecraft.
I thought you just downloaded it. Download it again.
Okay, I will uninstall it.
And I still haven't built a bed here.
Bro, we're gonna die. Bro, we're gonna die. Why didn't you made? Okay, I need.
I don't have walls. I don't have enough walls.
But can you try to share it me? Share it.
I don't think it has one.
I don't have share it. Wait. Now let me try happy
I'm
mode.
like, it's morning already? Yeah.
Oh, I thought we're gonna die.
It's morning. Finally. Yeah, I'm on a cold place. Hey, yo.
The rabbit is bigger now than I thought.
Wait. The rabbit jumped on my trap. Oh my god. You're dying. Oh,
Okay.
I just jumped on my trap.
What should I here? Dream build.
Yeah, that's the original Minecraft, bro.
So that means when I download this.
When you download this, you download that. So you mix that and this. So
Just
you
once.
download this and that.
And that, another dot, and then we're going to that, and that, another dot, and another dot. So going
Oh,
dot,
okay,
dot,
okay.
dot. Oh, okay.
Hey, rabbit. Run, rabbit, run. Where you going? Where did you go?
Yeah, it's really hard to kill that shit.
What did you shit, bro?
Sorry, if I...
That's a foot. I need to hit.
Nakakadisyan.
I need to get his food. Foot. You know, because that's the... I would give it to the...
Bro,
That
Call
guy.
of Duty, I got...
I thought there's freaking cat.
When my phone fixed and my Call of Duty just disappeared.
Oh, there's a pig. There's a pig. There's a pig. There's a pig. There's a pig.
There's a pig.
Let's go. Let's go. Ow. Let's go. I cannot climb. Oh. Hey, piggy. Where did you go? Oh, there you go. Oh, there's two.
Why you killing me? I'm Technoblade.
No, the other one is Technoblade.
May sakit ka. Maybe it's a sick.
Nope, it's not a sick one. Hey, Technoblade.
There he is.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna kill you. You're my king. You're our king.
I just realized why the pig has fur.
It's ill. Wait, what do you mean?
He has fur.
It doesn't have fur.
It's white.
You thought because you're a furry.
What the hell? What you mean?
You're a furry. Like, you're a real
Sign
furry.
in now.
Yeah, do sign in. So we can, like, use your old account.
I already using that while.
Oh, okay. We're friends, right? You a singer?
Yeah, I was.
West Dingling you were. So let me just mine some. Oh my god, it's raining. I hate moscatos.
Bro,
What?
mosquito don't affect me.
You're unbiteable?
Yeah, I'm unbiteable. But the langgam eats me though.
Do you mean an ant?
No, the langgam.
Oh, it means an ant.
Yeah.
It's an
my
antidote.
God. I hate this.
I mean, it's an anthem.
Ayak
It's
is
an
look
ant-
here. Look. There's a...
Bro, why? Why is there still no mobs in here, in my trap?
Di ba naalala mo yung may binaril na yun? Diba? Yung binaril ni Ibon.
Oh,
Tignan ko.
wala. Bro, wait. He did it. Huh? Anton? Did you say Anton? I told you it was just fake. He missed. He missed. Oh my god! It's a fast one! It's a fast one! It's a baby one. Hey, what hold on for me?
Yeah, I hate rabbits.
No, wait. Why am I gonna kill him? I mean her. Or him or her. I mean, kill it. Hey, come here! Where's your mommy? Tell me where's your mommy. I'm gonna kill him.
No, I'm not gonna tell you. I already adopted.
Oh, you're adopted. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh, I'm still in the beta, bro.
That's why.
I'm still in
Oh, look at the pig! A pig! A pig! It's a snowy pig! It's a snowy pig! It's a snowy pig! It's a snowy... Shut up! You freaky Tyler! Sorry, my friend won't shut up. No, not this friend that is on here. It's upstairs. Hello, Mr. Trader. Do you have something to trade on me? Please. Okay. Freaking nothing. Okay, let me just continue killing some foods. Hey, food! Come here. Not that you helmet black. I mean gray. Oh, there's cow. Nice.
Whoa, how can I play the real Minecraft, bro?
You need to pay for it.
Bakit naman? Pwede naman tayo sa ano? Sa may...
I know.
Sa ano? Sa...
Ma! Yung tubig kagabi pa. Yung tubig na hindi pa naiinom kagabi pa. Oh, it's almost night. It's almost night. No, it's still morning. Aray ko! Ama! Ama! Tubig. Ito na. Pero na. Bili mo na! Tubig daw! Oh! What? Why? Bakit ma? Kano? Magkano ma?
Ikaw kumuha ng pambayad doon at ikaw...
Hindi, magkano po dito?
100, may 10. Tutulog ako, ginising mo pa ako.
Asan yung big wallet?
Sa baon ni kuya mo dyan. May 100 lang. $150 yan eh.
To. Oh yeah, sorry for being AFK. I forgot I'm on video.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now I'm finally moving. Bro, you already downloaded like yesterday. I mean, like
Ay, you You know, Minecraft trial.
What? I mean, it's this one.
Yeah, I know, but... Itong Minecraft original kasi hindi ko magawa doon sa isa. Baka tignan natin. Start
It's
down.
downloading Minecraft again. Wait, let me cook. No, I mean, not the meme.
No, not again. Kasi,
Why?
dapat Mojang yun, di ba?
Oh.
So, this is not Mojang.
So what's the name?
The name is Minecraft Original. And, there's no name, but it's supposed to be Mojang. But it turned into Minecraft.
It's not
loading.
Mojang. You better move, gang. Let's go cook steaks. So let's go mine now.
What should I do there? Oh, wait.
Just try. There's still no beds in there.
Oh, the copper?
Wait, did I? Wait,
Do you mind if I say the word?
what word?
A word.
Oh, you meant that. I don't really know that. Where's my iron? Where did I put my iron? I mean, there's a lot of them yesterday, right? Where did I put it? Wait. Where's my iron? Yeah, like literally where's all my iron? Where is my iron? I'm asking you guys. I mean, I'm still not posting it. That's why you still can't tell. I don't really remember, so I'm gonna rewatch the other video.
Is that a latest?
Huh?
Is that a latest?
Yeps.
Huh?
Yeps.
Oh, that means I can download. If I download the latest, I will get
You would get what?
the not beta. Am I right? Right?
Yeps.
Okay.
If you're gonna be downloading, I'm sorry. You
Ano
even have enchanted unbreaking. Why is it breaking though?
Yo, can you try at least crafting and building? You're
I don't even have crafting. Bro, it's raining. Let's go. Oh, nothing. Oh, maybe it's here. No, not here. Maybe here.
ano yan?
No, not
Crafting and
also.
building.
Because I don't really want to play it anymore. I forgot you have. I forgot. Yeah, for having no pasok for a lot of days.
Bro, you don't know what I just built just for us, bro.
What?
Big
Eu pochi likadira.
the big tree house, but no tree.
Oh my god. You just built a tree house for me.
I'm a West singer.
Oh, wait, let me download it later.
Download them while you're playing.
How? I'm still playing.
I'm playing with
Oh
the
my god, I forgot. Not
chill
outside.
server.
Huh?
I'm playing with. There's a chill server here.
A sulfur up.
This what I.
Go, ta. I mean, join. Go, what the hell? Bro, just join. You're literally joining to a latest server.
Well, I didn't join the latest. I joined the new. I joined the. I may join the latest, but I'm still in the beta, bro.
Bro, that's crafting and building.
We're gonna craft. Ay, but may alam mo dyan yung ano,
I
yung
thought you said craft.
texture na na real Minecraft.
No.
Alam ko paano. So
Ah.
we're gonna play a
I
real
know that.
Minecraft.
I know that. But I hate ads.
Yeah, same, but it's okay.
I hate ads.
Look at my arm. Oh.
I hate ads.
Is it raining?
Yeps. Epstein.
But no wet.
I mean, yeah. Yes, no.
No.
Ma! Hurry, so.
Bro, I'm in the end now.
Arsen.
And in the end, I have a 3 portal. Oh, wrong one.
Oh my god. Bro, can't you just, like...
That Michael Jackson.
It's raining so bad and there's still kids outside. Yeah, like that. Getting wet, bro. You're Lima.
Lima. Lima.
You're Lima Fall. In the falling. Oh, wait. There's still some.
Wait. Padaanin na natin siya.
I'm sitting here.
Okay.
I'm.
Look at my home just for us.
Oh, that's actually nice.
Look. And that's a mob XP.
I thought you just said obesity.
And I made a slot machine. Look.
Oh, what the?
When you got 3 totem, you won.
Wait.
Oh, it's something's broken. Look. Ito yung ginawa ko.
Wow, that's actually cool. You like a cerulean.
Oh no!
You just pressed something. Oh my god, you just pressed it again.
Never mind.
Oh no, go you're inside now.
Huh? Are you gonna join now? That's
No.
hardcore here.
I mean, I'm doing my hardcore here.
I don't want to the snow, bro. I hate the snow. Look, bro. A riptide. Do you know
What?
riptide?
What's that?
Look. The riptide mending.
I'm still new at
Look.
at my at
Look.
the new Minecraft.
Hey, bro, look.
Iron. Only one?
Look, bro. If it's raining and you don't have fireworks, you can do this. You can fly with enchanted Minecraft. Enchanted riptide.
Ano? Dito ka. Sa loob. And now we mining more. Hey, you just... And we can break this. There. Wait. More iron. Nice. Wait. I mean, oh, I'm so lucky, bro. I'm so lucky. Look. Wait, let me climb.
You're gonna make the hardcore, bro. Am I gonna wait for you just to download the craftable building?
I mean, you can upgrade our house, though.
Bro, I already made. Bro, look. I have a tree home.
Don't worry, bro.
From, bro.
Oh, wait, there's more irons. And also there.
Look, bro. I literally made a 7-Eleven, a mini mansion, and I think I can go home. I can't go home. Bro, what is he doing to my little bro's house? What you're trading? I did drink it.
Wait. Never mind all of this iron. I mean, there's a lot, though. Give me all the irons. Oh, I'm still lucky. Layo. Ah, I can't. Oh, more irons. Nice. Thank you. How can I go down there?
Royal, are you done yet?
Baby, do you love me? There's more. I mean, there's a zombie though. Eee.
It's done raining here. And
Huh?
it's done raining there. All at the same time. Bro, just download it already if,
Wait,
while you're playing there.
I mean, I cannot just. Oh my god. The rain is strong. I think there's a bagyo incoming. I think there's a heavy rain falling coming though. Oh my goodness. There's more. Beautiful. Why is there a drown underground? Oh, that's a bat.
You're playing without me.
I mean, and you're playing without me too. Us also, and we're just the same. Is that a zombie? Nah, that's not a zombie. That's a besom. You stupid. You stupid Dojabu. More. Thank you. Thank you, Mojang. Thank you. Oh my god. Did I just found gold? Bro, I found gold. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got ingots. Wait. I mean, wait for me, bro.
I've been here just before I born.
You've been there since a year ago. I mean,
Before I born.
since before I born. Rebooting soon as I pooping. I mean, that's enough. I think so.
Are you done yet?
No, I'm still not done.
Are you done yet?
I'm trying to mine iron. And there is more iron.
Bro, Mojang takes me.
Minecraft. Hot topic.
Mojang takes me.
Bro, that's United Kingdom. I mean, who owns that game again? No, that's crafting and building. Who owns crafting and building?
Not gonna Minecraft.
Even crafting and building?
Nah.
I'm trying to say who's the owner. I'm trying to question you who's the owner of Wispy. I mean, bro, I just found diamonds. Look. Bro, diamonds. There's diamonds. What do you mean a piece? What's a piece? Give me the piece. Give me this diamonds. It's actually nice, you know.
Okay,
Diamonds.
let me read.
What read?
What is a lapis? What's
I'm-
lapis?
You literally tell me what's a lapis.
What's a lapis?
I mean, what's a lapis?
What's a diamond? What lapis?
I think that's diamond, right? Yeah.
don't know, it's a
Wait, I
diamond.
just placed.
Diamond. What Okay, that's a diamond, bruh.
I think that's diamond.
Oh, there's diamonds. Bro, I literally made it when I am bored. I'm just going to grow a garden.
So I might take a little bit long enough. Or maybe a 1 hour video. Or maybe just a little bit.
Mag-hardcore na tayo dito eh. Pero may skeleton tapos nag-ads ka.
Oh my god, that's what I hate the most. Oh my god, a zombie, a zombie. What the? What the? Oh, I missed. Ow, ow, ow. I'm sorry. Wait, why am I?
When you die, you die.
What's that?
Oh, there's diamonds.
Did you just?
Lapis.
I'm dying. I'm dying. No.
You lost your hardcore, bro.
Oh my god, that's just the freaking 60.
Bro, you lost your hardcore.
Okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And I might do another hardcore server. Again. Yeah, again. Bye. Wait, let me actually like spectate the world first. Before I say bye bye. Let me find diamonds right now.
Bro, I thought we gonna play now, but
Wait. I'm still not ending my beat, bro. Oh my god. No, that's just... Is that gold? Nice. I mean, gold is rich. Hey, anything else for me, Minecraft? Mojang, I thank you a lot. But I don't think I'm gonna thank you next time. You mobs always kill me. My god. But at least, can I have diamonds right now?
but you die and you don't.
But I died.
And iron.
I'm gonna spectate the world. What's this? Oh, nice. Actually, this is a pretty what.
I'm already done here and you still don't download.
Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I might do another hardcore vid with on another server. Or maybe I will do a 1v1 SMP vid with my classmate. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.